Hello marvelous people, welcome back to my channel. I am Johnmarvelous. We are here at Mr. DIY. Mr. DIY's 236th store is now open in Gaisano Capital, Balingasag Misamis Oriental. Mr. DIY offer an average of 18,000 products with something for everyone in the family. They have over 10,000 categories ranging hardware, households, electrical, car accessories, furnishing, stationery, and sports, toys, gifts, computer, and mobile accessories, and jewelry and cosmetics. After walking around, nakabili rin kami at pumunta na kami sa cashier para magbayad. I will have a haul after this video. Thank you for watching everyone. Just remember, you're freaking marvelous. Keep it up!